Hello, my name's Ben. I am not a great gamer, and welcome back to Crusader Kings 2, One True Roman, in which we play as Prince Mayor Antonio the Able of Venice. And I forgot to mention in the last episode, I figured out why Rome reverted back to the papacy. It's because the Pope didn't ask me for Rome back, he asked the Kaiser. And the Kaiser, being a good Catholic, automatically gives it back. So that's why yeah, that's the other thing. I need to join the Byzantine Empire, lower crown authority, attack the Pope, get Rome, probably immediately transfer it to the Basilius, and then Bob's your uncle. So something I'm doing right now. It's kind of gamey and cheesy, but we're gonna do it. Oh, who are you? Yeah, what I'm doing is I'm going through this list of known plots, and so for this guy, you want to do something. Can I imprison you? Yes, I can. Oh, he flared to the court of Count Berardo. Never mind. Nobody cares, though, because he's, you know, doing stuff. Doing stuff he shouldn't. This guy's outside of my realm. This guy's outside of my realm. What am I doing? I'm trying to find people who are not inside my realm. Or who are inside my realm. Imprison? Okay, since we have evidence. Yeah, no one will object. So then, well, he fled. Fine. Imprison. Okay, I got you. Now, not that guy. He's a count. I don't want to be dealing with that. Although, actually, if I try to imprison him, nah, I won't do it. 37%, no. I can't imprison her. I can imprison him. Okay, he's in my prison. Ooh, Countess Ippolito of Giza. Okay, I have a countess in prison. There we go. Lord Mayor something something. 67% chance. There we go. A baron. He's in my dungeon. Can I get her? 100%. She's in my dungeon. Oh, interesting. The Kaiser is trying to kill one of my vassals. What? Anyway, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get all these dudes and dudettes in my prison and then ransom them. Because I'm running out of money. I have 309 ducats and I'm losing a lot. So, okay, are you... Oh, this is Brunswick. Let me think here. Here, let me find this guy. Who is this person? You're trying to kill Doge Faliero of Venice. Why? He's just gonna... Do you have... Oh, he's your rival. End plot? Oh, he will. Interesting. Let's see what happens if I ask him to end his plot. If he likes me or not. Wow, I asked the Kaiser to stop his plot. Let's imprison this guy. Okay. And Sophie. Imprison. She ran off, but whatever. Okay, so now we go to our prisoners. Ippolita. Oh, let's do this. Start in the top. Alda. Ransom? Yes, 10 gold. Thank you. Burchard. Ransom? No. Ransom? No. Some of them have to, right? Oh, this guy won't ransom. Interesting. He won't either. Oh, because I'm already discussing something. I've already asked their person to ransom them, so... 10 gold. Ippolita, ransom. 70 gold. Interesting. Jacopo. 25 gold. Mikhail, ransom prisoner, 70 gold. There we go. Paola. Ransom prisoner, 10, no. Ransom, 25, thank you. Tifan. Ransom, nope, you won't do it. Ransom, nope. Okay, so there we go. I mean, it's only about, like, 150 gold, but still. That's more than I'm earning per month, considering I'm earning negative 50 gold a month. So there you go. So let's see what happens. Okay. I will not personally compensate Duke Vito. Oh, wow. Down to 188 gold. Ugh, gross. I may pull a bunch of money out of the campaign fund and just hope I don't die anytime soon. Okay, there we go. 388. Someone's getting married. That's fine. Who am I pissing off? It seems fair. Duke Vito's opinion changes. Doge Latanzio's opinion changes. So, who is more powerful? Because it doesn't show Doge Latanzio. Search all. Search all. Like, just everything. I have no idea who this person is. I literally don't know who this person is. During a visit to Dalmatia. Eric found him. Why couldn't I find him? Okay. Who has more stuff and also who likes me more? So this guy likes me by 64, this guy likes me by 32. So I will piss off. I'll make this guy like me more. And the guy with the fewer troops will like me a little bit less. So there we go. Okay. There's some money now. There's some more money. There's some more money. Yes. Okay. May your years be short and miserable. Wow. Your demand is just... My scheming was obviously misdirected. Maybe it's because if I declare war on you, I take half of your troops and, like, come smash you with them. That's probably how that works, actually. I'm still losing money, though. Title loss in succession. Yep. Ugh. Julia Faliero became a amateurish plotter. Whatever. Ooh. Married the Duke of Orleans. Good deal. If only my heir could need to get married. That could be nice. Whoa. There's an uprising. Where is this? Oh no, it's an uprising on the Artecans. Interesting. Hang on. Yeah, it's just a 10-degree uprising. Sorry, for some reason I thought it was the Golden Horde. There was an uprising in the Golden Horde, which would have made my life a little bit more miserable here. But that is not the case. So, good stuff. Oh, man. Where's my money coming from? You know, I know where it is. I know what the deal is. Okay, we're going to set our reinforcement to half. Our retinue reinforcement. And we may even raise a bunch of stuff. I think we're going to. I can't raise these. Because I would need to fully release them. Dang. Okay, I'm losing just a tiny bit of money now. Son was born to me, named Antonio. He's nothing special. We'll call him Antonio. That's fine. Oh, that's my name. Haha, funny. One child Lex Guardian. Someone. High intrigue. Go. Let's go. Do I still have the 80-something% war score? I think I do. Oh yeah, he still controls Bavaria, technically. Alcide claims that he would be a better marshal than what's-his-face. He's probably right. He would, in fact, be a better marshal. For one thing, I need him leading troops. For another thing, this guy needs to like me. So, I rule in the Merchant League of Venice. The Kaiser likes me better. Good. Ooh, likes me by 58. Good stuff. Okay, we are making money. Not much, but we are making money, and we just got 664 gold. Excellent. Excellent work. There are plenty of little factions. Oh yeah, I forgot to look. Any good independence factions? Actually, no. Lower crown authority and dukes that want to be emperor. That's pretty much it. Here we go. Oh, dang it. There were a few holdings, like this one here. This one had actually had its garrison kind of screwed over. So actually, I'm going to send this guy over to Oberbayern. Siege that down. It'll be a relatively quick siege. And by the time I get there, hopefully, this one will be a quick siege too. Dachau. So maybe that will work. Maybe. I hope. Okay. Someone wants to join Knights Templar. Guess what? No. Oh. Sorry, I'm drinking some very good beer. Okay, the Kaiser likes me by way more than he needs to. Okay, Realm Tree. Who needs to like me more? Oh, Chafredi loves me. Why does he love me so much? Oh, he's Spy Master Content. Yeah, that'll do it. Ronaldo. Ronaldo needs to like me. He's the Duke of Tunis. You're gonna love me. You're just gonna love me. It's gonna be great. He's gonna be like, that guy's so amazing. I just want to hang out with him like all freaking day. In fact, if I go carousing, maybe you will actually hang out with me all freaking day. You never know. It could happen. Here we go. So we actually possess the target area, the target thing. Hang on. Yeah, 83% participation. Good stuff. Now we just sort of sit and watch the sieges. Fun times. Wow. Why am I making so much money? How did I get money? Oh, no, it was the tithe. What am I thinking? Adelaida became Catholic. Good deal. Army levies. I'm going to actually turn up my retinues back to full again. I can afford to lose some money. Yay, more Catholic faith. Good stuff. Here we go. Yes. We've captured the target of the crusade in Split. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to assign myself. I am in Bohemia, correct? I am going to become a Crusader, correct? Or am I already a Crusader? I may actually already be a Crusader. No, I'm not yet. There we go. I am a Crusader. Excellent work. I might as well just stay there. Yeah, I might as well. And this siege will not be bad at all. That siege is going to be great. Child Lux Guardian. You are of the topmost person who kind of looks like he's got some intrigue. Yeah, you. That'll work. Great. Go. Okay. Siege of Wien. Good stuff. Or Wien, as it would be pronounced. In Österreichisch. Ooh, Doge Faliero became a charismatic negotiator. Why don't you just go marry the Duke of Leon? There you go. I'm sorry this episode is basically just watching a bunch of sieges, but this is what we need to do right now. As sad as it is. Okay, we got Clorinda has become a intricate web weaver. It's the best you can do? Oh, fine. Okay. What else is going on? I don't know why the Kaiser left. Why did the Kaiser leave? This I don't understand. It just doesn't make sense to me. And how is it? Oh no, that's the, who is this? The Knights of Calatrava? Yeah, the Knights of Calatrava. Okay, they have 10%. Okay. I thought it was the Pope who sieged this down, but it's the Knights of Calatrava. So there's that. Okay. Don't know why I know about that, but okay. You ever get notifications, you're like, how did that happen? Why do I care about this? Oh, interesting. Very interesting. Do we abandon this siege? I think we might. No. I know what we'll do. So there's a 6,000 dudes. They'll go to Steiermark. We may attack them in the mountains, but we'll do it with overwhelming numbers. That's what I thought they would do. Okay, they're gonna go after my dudes also in the mountains. What we're gonna do now is load it up. Actually, no. You go there. You go here. Load up the dudes leading the troops. You stay here. You finish the siege. Ugh. Maybe not. You might actually send a couple dudes. Okay. Holding in Mantua is under siege. Really? Oh. Dangerous revolt has broken out in Mantua. Is this peasants? Italian Liberation Revolt. Interesting. Folco of Italian Liberation Revolt has declared the 12th liberation of Italy on Kaiser Welf. Yeah, that's not working out for you guys. I don't know how to tell you this, but it's not working out for you. You know what? You split in half too. So then the larger parts of this group will go and meet them. Aquile. Sounds good to me. There we go. We've been attacked in Innsbruck. Now, send you. Send you. So we'll reinforce this. We should get there in time. Hopefully they don't lose. Oh, Siege of München. You know what? You too. You get in there. Get in there and fight. There we go. Yeah. Attacking into the mountains didn't work. Imagine that. Who are you? 17 Marshal. Can I execute you? Yes, I can. Okay. How's the siege? Let's split this guy. Meet you in Tyrol. Let's have you go there. You will finish this siege over here in Österreich. Did I just finish that? Yes, I did. Okay. Huh. You know what I might do? I might take this guy, and then this guy, and then attack into the mountains here. Siege of Linz. There you go. Oh, no, you're going to go to Salzburg. That's fine. I will scare you to Salzburg. Actually, how is this siege looking? Not great. I'll scare you into Salzburg, and then I will have this guy pincer you. When are you going to arrive? 6 August? Go. Now, go. Actually, no, go there. No, stay here. I'll just have this guy stay here so he can't retreat into the mountains. You guys go and finish him off. You're going to what? Kempton? I can go to Kempton. I hear Kempton's very nice this time of year. And of course, our Tekken just got bigger, because that's all our Tekken ever does. Yeah, this crusade's going quite well. I'll meet you in Tyrol. Not as cool as meeting you in Kempton, but it's something. Okay. Troop reinforcements. Good. Good, good, good. Okay, he just raised up some dudes. Go here, and then we will go from there. Who are you? You have 3 martial. I believe I will ransom you, because you have 25 gold. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Well, you're losing money, but it's not that bad. You have 13 martial. I will execute you. There we go. I will have this guy meet me at Kempton. See, this is what happens when you keep your troops together. It's very successful. It's really nice. I rather enjoy it. Whoa. Okay, so the Ottoman Sultan just instituted low centralization in, like, was that 5 different kingdoms? Interesting. Okay. We join this fight? I think we join this fight. It's too good of a fight not to join. Just caught this guy. Just caught this guy. 18 Marshal. Guess what? Dead. Thank you. How's this siege? Pretty pathetic. Don't bother. You are going to Niederbayern. It's not going to help you at all. No, like really, it's not going to help you at all. You know what? I may just siege this. Yeah, 6%. We'll just siege this down. Just siege Salzburg? Yes, the Temple of Salzburg. Let's do it. Holding in Lucca is under siege. Oof. Oh yeah, that's the Italian Liberation Revolt. Yeah, the Kaiser's kind of taking it to him. Okay. Doge Ronaldo likes me a little bit better. Likes me by 56. Excellent. I can deal with that. I can definitely deal with that. Ooh, a count. Ooh, or a chief. Oh, that's tough. He has 14 martial. But he can give me... Oh, 70 gold? Pfft, no, that's fine. I just executed him. Thank you. You keep going. You keep going. Where are you going? Passau. Let's go to Passau. And Tunis likes me even more. Nice. 86 opinion. Excuse me. Somebody's Catholic. Hang on. Let's go to Oberbayern. Oh, nope. He's sieging that instead. Malakresta, you have 19 martial. This guy has 17 martial. You know what? This guy has a lot more soldiers than you. So, I rule in the Merchant League of Venice. Is it favoritism? Yes. Yes, it is. Yes, it's favoritism, yes. You know what? No. You go take Österreich instead. This little pile, yeah. To Österreich. To Österreich! Oh yeah. 82% war score. This is over. Unless, of course, we lose again. That would just really suck. Although, if we lose again, then we'll have tons of money. It'll be kind of okay. We are at least making money now. Okay. Random son was born. Nothing special about him. Other than, you know, being a Faliero. That's pretty special. What else is going on in the world? The war with France appears to be... It looks like he, picked up the war target? No, he does not have the war target yet. My wife, Anna... Oh, she's a Premslid. She's a Swedish Premslid. Interesting. She is pregnant. Okay, cool. Oh, man. Poor Golden Horde. Poor Golden Horde. He's trying to siege this down. It's not even working. Okay, title loss in succession. Come here. Well, we at least have a lot more money now. So let's just do like 1,200. Yeah, that'll work. 500 ducats. Can we kill this guy now? We may actually be able to kill this guy. No. No. I won't. It's not worth it. We will be fine. Ooh, 500 dudes. 500 dudes. I see 500 dudes. That's cool. Okay, that's a thing. I guess that's what reinforcement is for. Oh, fine, let's do it. Bring your 5,000 dudes. Bring your 5,000 dudes. I know what to do with them. It's okay. There we go. Let's see what they decide to do. Siege of Salzburg. Excellent. 94% war score. Oh, that'll be so great. So great. They're just sitting on Znomo. He doesn't want to attack attack across the river. Except he wants to attack across the river. Okay, I'll let you. 11 June and ready, go. You guys split in half. Head over. I killed a dude with 20 martial. That's fine with me. Killed another dude with 19. I will take that. Okay. Won that battle. Oh, I might as well follow them. Where are you going? Sopron? Let's go to Sopron. I'm sure that has another name. I think this is in Slovakia? No. No, this is Hungary, I think. No, this is actually part of Austria these days. That's right. Who am I gonna make like me more? Baron and his entourage. It's between a Baron and a Mayor. Let's have the... Mayor Adam is going to like me better. That's fine. Okay. Some dude is now my prisoner. Sure, I'll ransom you. You won't even do it. Fine. Go away. Yes, because the people who can afford to pay ransoms are the ones who survive. That's how this works. Did you know that? A bunch of people are going to arrive in a bunch of weird places. Where's the largest army going? I don't even know. There, I guess? I don't know. Looks like they're scattering, kind of. I picked wrong. I chose poorly. Azo of Caceres has become Catholic. Good. I have no idea who that is, but more Catholic, more better. Right? Right. Estragom. I'll meet you in Estragom. What is this? Plains? Yeah, I'll meet you there. Twice your numbers and more morale? That sounds like a plan. Another Catholic? Yeah, let's see what you do now. Oh, this is my stuff too. Pressburg? That's my domain. Not my domain, but my realm. Doge Faliero became a tough soldier. That's useless. Just marry this guy. I don't know who it is. Just marry her. Marry him. Whatever. We're at 98% war score, I might point out. There we go. And we now have a stuttering daughter. You know, I don't really mind the stutter, it's just I remember what happened the last time we had someone with a stutter. It didn't go well. It just didn't. Okay, we're at 100% war score. We're going to win any moment here. We're going to get a... We're going to execute this guy. We are going to get a nickname. It's going to be glorious. Too bad Gilberto did not get a nickname. Kind of too bad. There we go. Prince Mayor Antonio the Able has created the title Merchant League of Bavaria. Excellent. Oh, and there's my timer. Very cool. Yes, Pope Hilarious the Third one. Yeah, that's one way to look like it. Or we'll look at it. Okay, let's take a quick look here. Give me a second here. Okay, there we go. Maybe like a day passed or something. Look at that Venice! Look at that Venice! Oh yeah. I am gonna organize all this crap off camera because it's gonna take a while. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably just gonna pass out individual counties to individual people, but I don't know exactly. I will probably really create barony, or I might just get rid of people in my court and just hand out the county capitals. Yeah, create baron, create this guy, the bishop, and then I will hand out the county capitals. It sounded very southern. And then we will go from there. Hand out the county capitals to random people, and then hand out the actual county vassals to my other vassals. Like, for instance, this guy, Duke Philibert the Lecher, he might as well get, this county. Of course, it'll be controlled by someone else, but that'll be fine. That'll be fine. That'll be fine. So that's the plan. That is the plan. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be real good. This is gonna be real good. Okay, so that's the thing. We're gonna hand all this out. We're gonna make all of our vassals love us and be very, very powerful. And then do you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna secede from the Holy Roman Empire. How's that? How's that sound? In fact, I might just start a faction here. Start a faction. Independence. Yeah, we'll see. I'm at 240% of the Holy Roman Emperor's stuff. Yeah, we'll see what we can do. Well, so there's the stuff. There's the stuff. Let me show that again. Look at that. Did you know that Venice used to own Bavaria? Venice owned Bavaria. It's true. And Venice is going to bring Bavaria to the Basilius. Hey, Basilius. How you doing? It's probably not going to be this Basilius. He'll probably be dead. But that, my friends, is the state of the world. It will look very different in the next episode, because I'm going to deal with all this, yeah, off camera. That's a lot to deal with. So, I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. I look forward to seeing you next time.